Good morning, class!
Good morning, teacher.
How are you this morning?
We are fine, teacher.
Alright, it's good to hear that. Class, please be seated.
Thank you.
Alright, now we will have a game. Do you want to play game, class?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, if that's so, are you ready, class?
Yes, teacher.
I can hear you.
Yes, teacher.
Alright, now all you have to do is to our game is called Let's Make Three Wishes, and all you have to do is to write three wishes that I put on the piece of paper that I put on your desk. Alright, and I will give you 30 seconds to finish your task. Alright, again, I will give you 30 seconds to write your three wishes. Alright, and after you write your wishes is we're gonna incorporate it with music. Alright?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, but there's more. I have here a box, and all you have to do, what you gotta do is to pass this box to your classmates until the chant or music stops. Okay? And whoever hold this box will be the one to share his or her three wishes. Alright?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so we're gonna select three wishes, and those students who can't be able to share their wishes is we're gonna put all that one here in our box of wishes. Am I understood, class?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, so without further ado, let's start. Okay, so I will only give you 30 seconds to write your wishes. Your summer starts now. Alright, I guess you're all done. So now, let's start singing. Starting with this one, okay? So you will pass that one. I have three wishes. What shall they be? I have three wishes. What shall they be? Stop. Okay. Jill, please share your three wishes in front of your classmates. With it.
I wish to have a wealthy life. I wish to have my own horse, and I wish to become a teacher.
Alright, very good. So, we're gonna do it again. Okay, so, okay, fast. I have three wishes. I have three wishes. What shall they be? I have three wishes. What shall they be? I have three wishes. Stop. Okay, Faye, please share your three wishes to your classmates.
My wish is for I wish for happiness, a good health, and to become wealthy.
Alright, very good. Please, round of applause, please. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Okay, fast. I have three wishes. What shall they be? I have three wishes. What shall they be? I have three wishes. What? Stop! Stop! Okay, so Marty, please share your wishes to us.
I wish for good health, me and my family, and I wish for good grades and wealth.
Okay, very good. Let's give a hand to Marty. Okay, very good. Class for sharing your wishes. Alright, very good. Now class, I have a friend named Tinkerbell. Do you want to meet her, class?
Yes, teacher.
Hi. Are you ready, class?
Yes, teacher.
So this is Tinkerbell. Okay. So Tinkerbell prepared us an activity. And are you ready, class?
Yes,
Alright. Now our activity entitled IA or name. But before that, I will divide the class into 5 groups. This will be the group 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now class. And 5. Okay. Now class, all you have to do in your group is to guess if the person in the dialogue is expressing a fact or an opinion. And each group will be provided a magic wand and IA and name flashcard. Alright, so the first group to raise opinion. Am I understood, class?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so I will give you now your flashcard. Okay, so I will give you your magical wand. Okay, so without further ado, let's start. Okay, so but first, let's read the dialogue first. So this column, we're gonna read Angelo, and this column will be the one to read Rona. Am I understood, class?
Yes.
Okay, so now this column, please read Angelo.
I think the earth is flat.
Okay, now this column, please read.
No, the earth is round because it is scientifically proven.
Okay, now what does Angelo expresses in the dialogue? Is it a yay or a nay? Okay. Okay, so let's check your answer. Okay, everybody got the correct answer. It is a nay. Okay, so next dialogue. Okay, so this column, please read.
The sun probably rises in the west during the summer.
Okay, read Pia.
It always rises in the east.
Okay, so what does Paul expresses in the dialogue? Is it a yay or a nay? What? Is it a yay or a nay? Okay, now class, what does Pia expresses in the dialogue? Is it a yay or nay? Raise your flashcard. Okay, the correct answer is yay. Okay, everybody got the correct answer. Okay, so let's proceed to the next dialogue. Okay, so please read, go.
I think Tagaytay should be the summer capital.
Okay, read Donna.
No, Baguio is the summer capital of the
Okay, so what does Roy expresses in the dialogue? Is it a yay or nay? Raise your flashcard. Okay, the correct answer is yay. Okay, everybody got the correct answer.
teacher.
No. Nay, the correct answer. Okay, so how about Donna? Okay, so how about Donna? What does Donna express in the dialogue? Okay, the correct answer is yay. Okay, very good. Now, let's read another dialogue. Okay, so everybody read, go.
It's raining because God is crying. No, it's raining because clouds are made up of tiny water droplets.
Okay, so what does sky expresses in the dialogue? Is it a yay
Nay.
or nay? Okay, the correct answer is nay. Very good, children. So how about Gino? Is he expressing a fact or opinion? Raise yay or nay?
Yay.
Okay, so the correct answer is
Yay.
yay. Very good, children. So another dialogue. Please read.
The moon is farther than the sun. No, the sun is farther and the moon is near because we can see the sun.
Okay, so what does Don expresses in the dialogue? Is it a yay or nay? Okay, so the correct answer is
Yay.
yay. Very good. Everybody got the correct answer. So how about fact? Is she expressing a fact or opinion? Is it a? Okay, the correct answer is a nay. Very good, children. Okay, so alright. So thank you for your participation. So I guess you really understand our lesson yesterday. Now class, Tinkerbell challenged us for another activity and she invited us into her magical forest. Now I have here a picture and you will have pictures that happen in real life situations that could not happen in real life situations. So in your group, all you have to do is to draw circle on the picture or in the scenario that could happen in real life situation. And you draw a square in the picture or the scenario could not happen in real life situation. And the first group to raise their magical wand will be the one to answer. Am I understood, class?
Yes.
Alright, so I will count 3 and you're gonna raise your magical wand, okay? Alright, so the count of 3, 2, 1, raise your magical wand. Okay, so Faye, please come here in front. Okay, thank you, Faye. So now, Faye encircled a picture here. So what do you see in the picture?
A man planting tree.
Okay, so a man cutting tree. That's a man cutting trees happening in that situation.
Yes.
Okay, so it is correct. So how about this one? Faye, draw a square in this picture. So what do you see in the picture?
The fairy.
It is a fairy. Does a fairy exist in your life situation?
No.
No, it doesn't exist. So it is correct. So now I will count again. 1 to 3. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Raise your muscle one. Okay, so Marty, please come here in front. unlock. Because later on, we were gonna use these words. Okay? So now, please read. Go.
College.
One support. Again. One support. Go. And his wife. Say, what does cottage
mean?
Okay, so who wants to answer? Okay, Joanne, please underline the word that means cottage. Okay, so small house is the meaning of cottage. Okay, very good, Joanne. So now we have the word fairy. So read the sentence. Go.
The great fairy granted the kind hearted, good hearted teacher.
Okay, so what does the fairy mean? Figure it out. Marty, go. Okay, so a fairy means fairy land. Okay, so next sentence, we have the word trust. So read the sentence. Go.
The rest of
The
the
soul
soul
failed that the trust was. Okay, so what does trust mean? It is faith. Okay, so trust means heart. Okay, so next word, we have the word kingdom. Okay, so read the sentence. Everybody go. Okay, so what does a kingdom mean? Sige, pray. Okay, so a kingdom is territory. Okay, very good. So next word, we have. Okay, so read the sentence. Go. Okay, so what does complain mean? Without party. Okay, so complaint means disapproval. Okay, thank you, Marty. So next we have punish. Okay, so read the sentence. Everybody go. Okay, so what does punish mean? Okay, Joanne, please come here, Joanne. Okay, so punish means disappear. Okay, very good, children. So you must remember all that words because later on we're going to use that one in our story. Okay? My class, post all your activities on the board. Okay, very good class. Now, in the computer center is called sort me, and you did a great job. Okay, so you analyzed and classified the situation that happens in real life and not. Okay, in the art center, it allows you to be creative and artistic, and you indeed draw scenarios from the story you have read that you think can happen in real life and you think will not happen in real life situation. So, excellent class. Okay, so in writing center, you perfectly formulated sentences about something that you think can happen in real life and something that you cannot will never happen in real life in connection with the story that you read. So, you did a good job as well. Okay, in reading center, it allows you to read and understand the story that tells about the three wishes that a fairy granted to a woodcutter. So you also answered correctly the questions given in the activity. So you did a great job as well. And in manipulative center is you did a great with your group. Okay, so you properly arrange the pictures which happens in real life and also the pictures which cannot. Okay, so very good, children. Okay, so now class, do you observe that there are similarities with all of your activities on each center?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so what do you think are the similarities on your activities? Okay, Faye?
Similarity is all about the situations that could happen and cannot happen in real life, teacher.
Okay, very good, Faye. Those things that talk about things or situations that can happen in real life, it is the type of things that really exist are called reality. Okay, and those things that talk about characters or events that cannot happen in real life or just a product of imagination is called fantasies. Okay, so do you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so now, when I say certain part of the story, I read the characters talk about ordinary, real people and daily living like what the woodcutter do for a living, and what do you call this? Okay, yes, Faye?
Reality, teacher.
Okay, very good, Faye. And if the characters can have special powers or can grant any wishes in just a minute, what do you call this? Yes, Faye?
Fantasy, teacher.
Alright, it is fantasy. And why do we need to learn the difference between fantasy and reality? Yes, Joanne?
I believe we need to know about the difference between fantasy and reality for us to have for us to easily understand and to not get to not get easily swayed on the things that aren't true, but we should rely on what is real and what is in reality.
Okay, that's great, Joanne. As a children, you must learn how to use good judgment on things, whether they are reality or fantasy. So we should learn how to analyze things or materials that we are reading if they are true or not. Okay, very good, children. In our class, we will have another activity. Did you remember activity? Yes, of course, we will have another activity. Now, with the same group, all you have to do is to write sentences. And each group will be provided a scroll. And in the left side, we have reality. So you write sentences in this side. And in the right side, you will write sentences in fantasy. Okay? So I will give you 3 minutes to finish the task. Okay? So your timer starts now. Okay, so I guess you are all done. Please paste your answer on the board. Okay, so group 1, please present your answer. Please read.
So in reality, we read book on fantasy, the cat plays football.
Okay, very good. Let's give 5 claps to group 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now let's hear the work of group 2.
Okay, so in reality, we have right, the boy ate an apple. So for fantasy, the fairy gave me a flower.
Okay, very good. Let's give the hand. Give 5 claps to group 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, very good, children. And now, for your another activity, you will answer this one. Okay. So please read the instructions. Everybody read, go!
Each sentence
Identify the difference
between fantasy and reality. Right if the statement talks about fantasy or something that could not really happen. And right or if the statement talks about reality or something that could really happen.
Okay, so write that answering. Okay, I guess you're all done. Finish or not finish? Pass your papers in front. We count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And for your assignment, okay, write this in your notebook. Please